From the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs to the real reason why they went extinct. Here are 10 mind-blowing Jurassic World facts you never knew. Number 10. A real asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs. If you've seen the movie Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom, you know that an asteroid is hurtling toward Earth. And it looks like it could be the end of the world as we know it. Again, but did you know that in real life, an asteroid did wipe out the dinosaurs? Around 66 million years ago, our planet was struck by an asteroid or comet that triggered massive earthquakes, tsunami waves, and ultimately led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. This asteroid impact is believed to be the largest known impact event in Earth's history. No. 9. The asteroid wasn't the real reason for the extinction. While the asteroid that struck Earth is the main reason behind the extinction of the dinosaurs, scientists believe that it wasn't the only cause. In fact, a recent study has shown that there were several factors that led to their extinction. One of them was the volcanic eruptions in the Deccan Traps region of India, which may have caused global climate change and paved the way for mammals to thrive. Other theories suggest that the asteroid impact triggered massive algae blooms that absorbed all the oxygen in the oceans, causing an ocean dead zone that wiped out many marine creatures, including some of the largest species of dinosaurs. Hey, dinosaurs roamed what is now Alaska. When you think of dinosaurs, you probably imagine them roaming around what is now the southwestern United States. But a new discovery suggests that these creatures also lived in Alaska. In 2018, paleontologists found the first dinosaur bones north of the Arctic Circle in Prince of Wales Island, Alaska. They identified the remains as a hadrosaur, an herbivorous duck-billed dinosaur. And based on its size, they estimate that it lived around 70 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period. Number 7. Some dinosaurs were actually birds. We've said it before, and we'll say it again. Birds are dinosaurs. Scientists have long debated whether birds should be classified as dinosaurs, since they share many characteristics with both dinosaurs and other types of reptiles. But in 2018, a study published in the journal Nature revealed that birds are indeed the direct descendants of a group of carnivorous dinosaurs that includes Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex. So when you're watching Jurassic World, remember that some of the dinosaurs you see may actually be related to birds. No, a relative of Ankylosaurus lived in what is now North Korea. The Ankylosaurus was a large mammal-like reptile that lived in what is now North America during the late Cretaceous period. But did you know that a similar creature also lived in North Korea? In 2015, a team of South Korean researchers discovered the fossil of a Boreapelta marked Micheli in the northern part of the country. This armored dinosaur was about 5 meters long and weighed over 1.5 tons. It had a tail like a club, sharp spines along its back and neck, and was probably well adapted to life on land. No, 5. There's a Jurassic World in China. If you love everything about dinosaurs, then a trip to China is a must. That is, because the country is home to one of the largest and most complete collections of dinosaur fossils in the world. In fact, many of the famous dinosaur species were discovered in China, including the first feathered dinosaur. The country is also home to the Jurassic Park Museum, which features a life-sized model of a Jurassic World. Oh, dinosaur DNA can tell us a lot about their appearance and behavior. Scientists have been able to extract DNA from preserved dinosaur bones, which has allowed them to learn more about these creatures than ever before. For example, by studying the genetics of a Tyrannosaurus rex, researchers were able to determine that it had feathers. And by looking at the DNA of a Triceratops, scientists were able to identify the genes responsible for its 3 horns and bony frill. No! 3 fossils have been found in Utah that predate the dinosaurs. When you visit Utah's capital, Salt Lake City, you can explore a natural history museum that features a variety of dinosaur fossils. But did you know that the state is also home to some even older fossils? In 2013, Paleontologists discovered the remains of a creature that lived in what is now Utah around 500 million years ago. This strange animal had a hard shell and was probably very similar to the modern-day The oldest dinosaur fossils ever found were found in Canada. The first dinosaur fossils were discovered in Canada in the 1860s. These fossils were found by a team of paleontologists led by Sir Richard Owen, who would later become the first director of the Royal Ontario Museum. The fossils included the bones of a dinosaur's back, a thigh bone, and a shoulder blade, all of which were found in the southern part of the country. No! One dinosaur remains have been found in South Africa. South Africa is known for its incredible wildlife. But did you know that it's also home to some amazing dinosaur fossils? That is, because the country is one of the richest deposits of Triassic and Jurassic Age rocks in the world. In fact, the first dinosaur fossils ever found in Africa were discovered in South Africa in 1857. These fossils included the remains of a sauropod, a group of herbivorous dinosaurs that includes the famous deep. Now it's time to take a quiz and test your knowledge on these amazing Jurassic World facts. Comment below with the answers to the questions in this quiz. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.